That's cute.
The pair that they'll discuss. Yes, this.
Stop singing!
Okay. You just, it's Bonnie and Clyde. You gotta sing it. Here we go. Look at her braces. Cute, girly. That face, though. Okay, here we go. Want me to push you? Ready?
Yeah, no.
Set.
No, don't.
Go! Go!
Stop!
Sorry.
I'm not kidding.
Ow, you're smashing my fingers.
Okay, you have to hold me there.
I'll hold you there.
Hold it. Ow. Like,
Did my ring stab you?
what are you doing?
Did my ring stab
No,
you?
your knuckles like in my back.
Oh.
Okay.
Here we go. Here we go. We're leaving this city behind. Keep going. You're not done yet. My turn. I'm going in.
Okay, Megan, you have a lot of weight. You have a lot of weight.
Right, me and my friend July are trying to go on a run. And then there were flash floods warnings like earlier for the area I live in, but I wasn't that worried about it. And I just was like, it's not a big deal. Then I went on a run. And then, yeah, it kind of is a big deal. But anyway, yeah, it's pouring and my phone's gonna get ruined if I have it out for a second longer. Anyway, we're gonna finish our run though. And the next morning, it's still raining outside. But I don't mind, like, I love the rain so much. But I have my huge sweater on today because it is really cold right now, but I'm on my way to the bus stop. And I don't really want to go to school. So, yeah.
We already hit them. Well,
It's not even.
Riley just hit them. All of them.
I think it's awesome.
Awesome. Okay, I'm ready.
Wow, Max.
Okay.
Love you, Max.
You just walk.
Hey guys, so that was not natural. I'm in a hotel right now, with some of my friends for a marching band competition. I'm not in marching band, but anyway, long story. Now I have to explain. So Mr. Jordan is the director of the marching band, and I am his daughter. And so I come on the marching band trips. So here I am with all my little band geeks, and I'm just hanging out in one of my friends' rooms until it's time to go back to our rooms. And basically, I'm LDS, which means, like, it's my religion. I can't drink coffee. And so I really wanted apple cider, but like downstairs where it has like the hot water stuff, like the hot water's out. So I was like, we're gonna make this work. So I took one of the cups in our hotel and I tried to microwave it, and the cup burnt. Oh my god! Anyway, I'll get to why this is so important to us later. What if it overflows?
Then we all die.
Anyway, I tried to microwave and boil some hot water in the microwave here. The cup burnt and melted. So then I was like, well, there's a coffee machine in here, so we're gonna have to figure out how to put apple cider in the coffee machine. So we took one of these little coffee packets, we emptied it and, like, you know, cleaned it out, and we put the apple cider packet inside of the coffee cup, like the little, what are these called?
Packet.
The coffee packet thing. Put apple cider inside of it. And then we just came up with this huge invention. And now We got apple cider out of a coffee machine, and we were really scared that the coffee machine was going to explode or something, that we like ruined it, because I think we already ruined the microwave by melting that cup in there. Anyway, it's pretty good. And like, today's been a crazy night. She just ordered 7 pillows just for the fun of it, and you know, it's been good. And now I have apple cider out of a coffee machine, and we were just like, it's gonna like blow up while it was making. We were scared it was gonna blow up, and they were gonna hear it from like 3 miles away. And then we were like, when Mormons use coffee machines. Anyway, been a good night. There's still coffee in this. It still tastes like coffee, and I'm not supposed to drink coffee. Wait, it tastes like mostly like apple cider, but.
Is it the smell that's throwing you off?
No, like, it tastes like coffee. I don't know what coffee tastes like, though. You know what coffee tastes like.
It mostly tastes like apple cider.
Look at this pretty face. Anyway, we're gonna ignore what I look like. We're doing face masks. Okay. This is a cute scrunchie. I have an obsession with scrunchies, and I didn't know my mom had this one, or else I would have just stolen it. Ooh, this one's fancy. I'm just not gonna use a brush. Just kidding. This scrunchie looks really good. I forgot about these annoying little things. Alrighty. That took me like 3 minutes. That was like a really long process. It's 5 p.m. and I'm still in my pajamas. It's Sunday. Give me a break. You know, ever heard like the phrase like lazy Sunday? Yeah, that's today for me. Why would I do that? Because nice and clumpy. Cute. Yeah, I don't think we should put this on our face.
Headphones aren't on.
I've already had a face mask on today because Lindy smeared avocado all over my face, and that's good for your skin, right? It was really annoying.
But the senior year rolls around and I still haven't done it. I'm still at a 2 T-Bird.
Wow. That is, it's so beautiful. Dang it, it's not peel off. I wanted to peel off now. Peel?
Okay.
Do it to yourself. Peel.
No, you do it to yourself.
No, but Megan's got her hair back.
Here, I'll film it for you.
Now rub it in.
It's so cold.
You can do it yourself, right?
Yeah. Okay, so I look really cute right now.
Set the timer for 15 minutes.
Gotta set the timer for 15 minutes. I look really cute right now. What? I did hear you. Color. It's green. Texture. Clumpy. Timer is set. The way it's drying is actually disgusting. Look at that. I look like an alligator. Not that there's anything wrong with alligators. Alligators are great, okay? I'm really upset right now. I still have freaking blackheads. No, just kidding. I don't really care.